Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how I made my first lumpia wrapper. Let's go! These are the ingredients: 3 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon oil. So I'm using self-rising flour because that's the only flour available in our kitchen, and I'm also using canola oil. I believe any oil will do, and I am using iodized salt as well. All you have to do is to mix all the ingredients mentioned earlier, and this time I am adding the half cup of water, and oil, the 1 tablespoon oil. And then you just have to mix them all together. I'll be using a mixer to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed very well, and this is the consistency that I wanted. And I'm just gonna have to sit this for 20 minutes while I'm doing the dishes. Be right back.
20 minutes later.
Cooking time. So this time I'm not gonna fast forward my video, so it will gonna give you an idea on how long does it take for the batter to cook on a 80-degree temperature. While I'm brushing the batter into the pan, I turn off the induction cooker because I don't want it to get burned. So after, I'm gonna make sure that I have put the enough thickness that I wanted for the lumpia wrapper. That's the time that I'm gonna start the induction cooker. So I set it for 80 degrees. So as you can see, the batter is starting to dry out. So you don't want it to be super dry or overcooked, because the tendencies are it'll be burnt or it'll gonna be brittle. So you don't like it to be like that. So you have to make sure that it has still the moist in it, and you will know if it's already done. You can see the edges. You have to check it from time to time. You'll see there it will pop up, and then once it's popped, you can have a stick or a toothpick, anything. It's a new toothpick. You can use it to pop the edges and starting to pull it out, just to make sure that it will not burn. It's not really that hot. I'm sure if you have a good condition non-stick pan, it'll eventually pop out by itself and you didn't have to poke it with a stick. So this is the outcome that I wanted, and it's perfect for me. Lastly, you have to cover it with a clean towel to keep the moisture in it. If you find this video helpful and interesting, you may hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.